What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jaw Trades, and welcome back to another video. And today, as you can tell by the title and by the screen, I want to teach you guys how to make at least a 10K per month, because I know everybody likes the 10K number for some reason. But I'm gonna show you how you can make 10K plus per month with prop firm trading. So, as you can see below, I have this older screenshot of last month where I cleared in the first half of June, I cleared about 12, I believe. And I ended up clearing for the whole month of June around 15. And I'm looking to do around the same for this month as well. So yeah, this is proof right here to just make sure, I'm not lying to you. I'm not one of those fools. I have receipts to back it up. But yeah, I'm not trying to yap here all day. So let's get into it. So step one, obviously, a lot of this has to do with copy trading. If it wasn't for copy trading, I would have a fourth or a fifth of what I collected in June. But copy trading is there for a reason. So buy and pass 5 Topstep evals. So just it's as simple as that. Buy and pass 5 Topstep evals. If you don't have like a strategy to help you do that, or you're just struggling to pass evals, there's definitely a lot of ways you can do it. You can be more aggressive and try to pass them. You can size up. But the main point is to pass Topstep evals. I recommend personally that you size up and just try to pass them. But I know a lot of people don't have the allocation that I have to play with evals. Not to brag or anything. But, when I first started, before I got it payouts, I could barely buy eval. But now I'm here. So I just want to let you know it is very possible and can be done. But start with what you can. Definitely don't break the bank when it comes to these evals. If you can only do one at a time, do one at a time. I promise you, once you start snowballing in trading, it snowballs fast. So that's all I want to say. But buy and pass 5 Topstep evals. But obviously you want to do what you can afford and don't go too crazy. If you can afford to blow some evals and like size up on these evals just to pass them, I recommend doing that. But obviously play with your budget. If you can't, just size down and slowly pass them. I recommend that you should never be in the eval for more than a week. So, but obviously, like I said, if you're low on funds and you're trying to pass the eval, take your time. All right, 2. Trade with 3 to 5 micros when being funded. A lot of times I see traders, especially in my Discord or in my social medias, or just anywhere, YouTube, just everywhere. I see people trade with minis once they're funded. People that never got a payout before, they trade with minis and just go all in per trade, which is, I know it's fake money, but it adds up. Let's be honest. 5 Topstep evals or 5 Topstep fundeds is, I think, $1,000 after you pass them. So the prices add up. So you want to lower your risk management a little bit, or lower the contracts you're trading. Trade with 3 to 5 micros. I'm gonna get into why you should in a second, as you can see. But definitely size down. 1 is easier on your psychology. 2, you're gonna have better risk management per trade, and 3 is just gonna make you a better trader overall. So once that time you do build that buffer and start trading with minis, you already know what to do. It makes you a better trader because you can follow the same strategy that you did with micros into minis. So, but once you have the buffer, of course. So going into that, number 3, set a daily loss limit of $300 to $500, right? This is the number one thing I always recommend people to do. If you look back to all my videos, or most of my videos, I talk about setting a daily loss limit, because this will save you from, let's make sure I'm recording. I am. This will save you from blowing up and just making sure you just protect your capital. Now, that's why it's another reason I recommend Topstep, is because they do have a feature where you can lock yourself out after you hit this $300 out, or $300 to $500 automatically. So 100%, you want to make sure you have a daily loss limit, because you're gonna have emotional days. It is what it is. It happens. I mean, to this day, I still have emotional days as a trader. The only thing is that I'm able to catch up on it a little bit easier than before and stop myself from trading or continue to trade a little better than I was before. But I still have those days when I'm emotional trading, and that daily loss limit will protect me from blowing up any of these accounts, obviously. Now, I could have just a bad streak and just blow these accounts, but at least I'm giving myself a chance by setting this daily loss limit. And number 4 is be disciplined. I mean, that's one of the most important things. Are you able to follow these steps? Are you able to just consistently trade with 3 to 5 micros without having to size up because you're scared of missing out, having FOMO? Can you consistently be disciplined enough to follow your daily loss limit and make sure you lock yourself out once you reach that limit? Are you disciplined enough to make sure you wait and sit on your chair, sit on your hands if you need to, until your trade pops up? Or are you going to have FOMO if the market runs without you? That's one of the biggest things also in trading, other than risk management, I believe, is just discipline, discipline, discipline. Just having a routine, checking them, or having a plan going into the markets, not waking up at 6:29. I'm from the West Coast, so the market opens at 6:30 for me. But not waking up at 6:29 and then checking the markets and then making a trade. Are you disciplined enough to wake up at least 15 to 20 minutes, making your plan, making your bias for the market, to follow your risk management and to follow your strategy? Now, if you do all that, I promise you, trading is really simple. Don't overcomplicate it. You do all this, you will see those 10K months. And I just wanted to add this little fun cent thing from the Topstep dashboard. But yeah, you will have those 10K months. I promise you, if you just follow those steps. It's really simple. I know it sounds really simple. It is really simple, but it does get harder once you're actually on the charts, because your finger gets to inching like a YN or something when you see a op. But whatever I'm talking about. But no, you definitely, if you're disciplined enough, you will see those months. Just follow these rules. Trade micros, trade micros, trade micros. And if try one Top Step account at a time if you need to. Get a payout from that and then fund more Top Step accounts if you need to. But obviously, this is how to make 10K per month in prop trading, and copy trading is one of the easiest ways. But you just got to be careful with your capital. Now, if you're still struggling and need more help and want to start winning like me and my team, I do have a WAP. I'll leave that down below in the description where I run a premium. I'm currently running a 3-day trial, so it's risk free to you to come check out what's going on in here. How does it work? How's everybody winning? I also share my strategy in there as well. And as you can see, if we look at the testimonies from inside the Discord, payout from Kayla, payout from Dom, payout from Alexis, and then people are just consistently winning on a daily basis. So yeah, that being said, that is the easiest, most simple way to start making 10K per month in prop firm trading. If you need more help, go ahead and click the link down below. Make sure you follow my social medias and you hit the like, comment, and sub for your boy today. And yeah, that's about it. You guys have a very blessed day. You just keep at it. I know God has a plan for you. Just keep at it and you will succeed. Just keep working at it. But other than that, it's been your boy Jaw Trades, and y'all have a beautiful, blessed Sunday. See y'all later.